How to check old notifications on Instagram. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can check old notifications on Instagram. For that, launch open the Instagram app. Now go ahead and tap on this heart icon at the top of your screen. This will open the notification tab. Now you can simply check out all of your notifications from here. But you will notice that you're only able to check out the last 30 days notification from here. So if you tap on show more, you will find some more notifications, but it will end on the 30 days notification. So if you want to find the notifications older than this, then what you can do is simply head back. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then scroll down, and here you will find the option of notifications. Select that. Now find the email notifications. If you have turned on the email notifications, then you will get all of the notifications in your email. So go ahead and launch open the email app. Now over here, simply search for Instagram and you will find all of your old notifications from here. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.